We went to the beach, and it was fun. But when we saw all the trash, it was gross. So much trash. And businesses like this sell all their food with mostly disposable plastic and styrofoam. Why are they even allowed to do this? When so much of it is ending up in our environment, shouldn't it be illegal? Why not use compostable products? It might be a bit more expensive, but most of it is nicer to use. And why should businesses that want to be more responsible have to pay more? It's all just so irresponsible. And what about the big companies making huge profits off the products that are clogging our natural world? And really, where does it all end up anyways? Isn't it time to change? It makes it a challenge to even buy food when you know so much of it ends up in the environment. Wait, what's this place? They not only had compostable everything, but they educate people about the impact of trash in the oceans. What a total inspiration. I mean, it feels good to do the right thing. It's time for change, unless we want to live in a sea of trash with dying animals. We have the ability, and the technology is here. Let's use it. Check out these awesome ladies who decide to pick up trash on their walk. Sure, we have a trash bag.
So, we got here, and the first thing we do is go to the beach, and we start picking up trash. We didn't go, 10 feet onto the beach, and then we make piles of it, and we bring it with us. Have you seen just more and more trash come from the ocean? And it seems like it's not just about picking up the trash, but teaching people about the usage of stuff and throwing it away and recycling. And
yeah, I think the education is probably the biggest part of it. I think the more that we can educate people, and especially young people and the younger generations, the importance of taking care of our planet and taking care of the environment, hopefully the better off our future will be. And also making it very easy for people to do the right thing. We've been working with the town and with some organizations to try to get more compostable receptacle centers for Salisbury Beach, along with recycling receptacles. Try to make it a little bit easier for the beachgoers to make the right choices. And I'm confident that I think we're in the right direction. I think it's getting better and better.
Yes. Well, we want to say thank you for doing your part as a business. It means a lot to people like us and a lot of people out there. So
I'm glad you guys are doing this. Thank you so much for including us, and thanks for visiting Salisbury Beach, and thanks for cleaning it up.
Yes.
And thanks for having fun here.
All right.
It means a lot. Thank you.
Go Ocean.
Go Ocean.